Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today our activity is beautiful fish. Our activity is beautiful fish. Today we will make a beautiful fish with the help of button. So students, आज की जो activity है इसमें हम button का use करेंगे. Today we will make a colorful fish with the help of buttons. So enjoy your activity. Start our activity. Take out your drawing book. Open page number 33. Page number 33. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. For this activity, we will use button and Fevicol. Button we have already given in kit. See, this is buttons and Fevicol. Okay? Let's start. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little fish went swimming one day over the sea and far away. Mama fish said, come back, but 3 little fish came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little fish went swimming one day over the sea and far away. Mama fish said, come back, but 2 little fish came back. 1, 2. 2 little fish went swimming one day over the sea and far away. Mama fish said, come back, but 1 little fish came back. 1 little fish went swimming one day over the sea and far away. Papa fish said, come back, all the 5 little fish came back.
So students, now our activity is done. Students, with the help of buttons, we will make beautiful fishes and other craft also. Okay? Okay, bye. Take care.